Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will be showing you how to change password in Discord if you have forgotten it. It's quite simple to do, so let's begin right away. So first, enter your email or mobile number. Then just click on Forgot Your Password option here. Then, as what it says here, Discord will send instructions on how you can change your password to your email or mobile number depending on what you entered earlier. So just click OK. Then, check your email or your phone. In my case, I entered my email, so I'm gonna check my email. As you can see, this is a message from Discord, so let's just click on Reset Password. Then just enter a new password here. After you set your new password, it will log you in automatically on your browser. But you can also use that new password on your app. And that wraps it up. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.